Okay, I know it's your favorite when I do 2 and then I give you 2 to do. Just kidding. I know you don't like that, but it's going to help you guys build the, the tools and know how to use these formulas and identities in order to be successful on homework. So I'm going to do 1 and 2 with you, and then you're going to do 3 and 4 on your own. So looking at number 1, what we see is that we have a cosine 3 theta and cosine theta. We need to write it as a sum or a difference, so we're looking product to sum. If you see on your formulas, there's only one option where it's a cosine and a cosine. That would be the second line down. So that gives us 1/2, and then your brackets, cosine 3 theta minus theta, plus cosine 3 theta plus theta. Now I'm going to move this down so I can have a little bit more space to work. And that's going to be 1/2 times cosine 2 theta. If you look, that's the double angle, plus cosine 4 theta, closed brackets. Now we just need to distribute this 1/2. We have 1/2 cosine 2 theta plus 1/2 cosine 4 theta. And that is it. So don't overthink it. They're cut and dry. Okay, that's number 1. Let's look at number 2. I'm just going to start it down here. So sine 3x, cosine 5x. Okay, in that product to sum or difference, go ahead and take a peek at what one has a sine first and then a cosine. If you see that, that's going to be the third row down, where it goes sine, then cosine, order matters. So we have a 1/2 sine 3x plus 5x plus sine 3x minus 5x. And then hard brackets at the end. 1/2 sine 8x plus sine negative 2x. What you can do, though, the one thing you can do is we can bring that negative over to the front. So we're going to see it to be sine 8x minus sine 2x. Then we have that 1/2. We need to distribute the 1/2 to both pieces. We get 1/2 sine 8x minus 1/2 sine 2x. And that is it. That's our answer. Hopefully you're seeing that this isn't too bad. Now you guys are going to do 3 and 4 on your own. I'm going to erase my work in a second, so pause if you're not finished writing it down, and then that'll give you some room and me some room to give you the 3 and 4 answers. Okay, so 3 and 4 are on you on your own. Make sure to match the formulas with what ones, with the identities that you're using. So go ahead, do this on your own, and then come back. Okay, now here are your answers. Now don't forget that going from the step of sine of negative 4 theta, that negative comes on the outside. So that's how you get a minus 1/2 sine 4 theta. All right, hope this is going well. We're going to move on to the next piece, and now that's taking it from sum difference into product.